Hello fellow traders, it's Rafał Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. In this video I've got something special for you. As you can see behind me there is a screenshot. One of my students sent me a screenshot that she took of her account to show me the power of swap. So it's very interesting because you don't see someone being so patient with a trade these days. And look what happened here. So we are on USD to Turkish lira, and this trade that you can see here was opened on 23rd of March 2021. So we've got almost half a year, like 5 months ago, and this is a losing trade. So the trade was open at this point, at this level. So there is an open time, an open price, and we can see that the price is massively up since then. So basically the idea of the trade was that there was a massive gap here, and that the market should close this gap, that this is just some news, and the gap was really big, and the market will close it, but it didn't happen. So what this person did, knowing like that was a conscious decision, it wasn't a coincidence, that the swap is on her side, she kept it. She kept it and she is holding it for 5 months already. So now the swap grew to 155 pounds. This is pounds. So in dollars, it's like $200 just of swap, just because she holds this position. The broker is paying her money. And because there is a positive swap, I will show you in a second. But her position, pips wise, is very much losing position. Gross profit is 457 minus, but the net profit is only minus 302. So this plus this, this gross profit plus swap gives us this number. And of course, she believes that this gap will be closed and she will have all the swap plus for these weeks or months that she needs to wait. But I will give you analysis of this USD to Turkish lira, because it's going to fall in my opinion. So she is right, and I think she will be rewarded for her patience. Okay, so this is the idea. It's very interesting. I really like it. Well done to you for holding this position this way. Of course, you know, she could just close it at the beginning, take some small loss, and then trade this money. Don't have them blocked. But if you have other funds and you don't mind, this is an idea for the trade. Okay, let's have a look. This is my chart for USD. And let's actually go here real quick and I will show you the ticket. So this is the ticket, and you can see that the daily swap, okay, let's just put one, or yeah, this is one. So if you are selling one lot, then the broker will pay you £13.86 for holding this position every day. This is daily swap. So every day you will get around, I don't know, $17. This is 18, something like that. In her case, that was 0.08. So she would be getting £1.11. So there was 150 of them, so that means 150 days, 5 months, yeah, 30. So very clever move, isn't it? £1 every day just for holding position, for not closing it. If you were to buy at the same time, you would be losing £5. So although you would make all this money, so in her case She lost 450. So she would make this 450 instead of losing them, but she would lose 5 times, so 750 in swap. So she would be minus as well. But now, if the market actually gets to where she entered this position, she would be on profit in both ways. So this is very clever, isn't it? That's why you need to be very careful about swap. And again, I will send you to my course. There's 30 something videos on Skillshare. It's completely free. Just go to my website, rafałzuchowicz.com. I have a special video on swap over there. I'm explaining how it works, where to find it, how to calculate it. And this is a really interesting stuff. Okay, so this is the US dollar to Turkish lira. And let's have a look what happened. So that was her move. Over here, there was this big move up. And she predicted that it will fall down. It didn't happen, that the gap will be closed. So the market was at this level. Let's mark this level. So this is the level that the market was at. Okay, that was the opening. And that's the opening, yeah, over here. No, sorry. That's the opening. That's the opening. That's the close of the day, day later. So there was a fall, but she was late. She didn't open at the beginning, so she wasn't even for the moment, I believe, in a profits. And now for all this time, all these 5 months, there's a steaming uptrend, beautiful uptrend. We can see that Kijun is holding price, and there is a fall right here. We have the fall of the market below Kijun. This is quite significant. And let's have a look why we have a fall over here. Look at that. I already ran our calculations. And let's see if they are any good. So this is our target N. And you can see that that was the opening of the market. Then there was a fall. So we open above, like ignoring basically this end target. But then on the way back, look where the price is. The price came up to here and it stopped exactly. It didn't want to close above. So that was the stop. And then in next 2 days, we got up to target V. Revisiting, going back to target N, this is the power of our targets. So learn them properly. We came back to our target N, breaking a bit below, and then again, revisiting target V. It was holding very strongly. Look how strongly it holds. Coming back to Kijun, again, revisiting our target, back to Kijun, finally breaking, and then going up all the way just to be stopped at target E. And now have a look at the power of target E, how strongly the market falls. It falls below Kijun for the first time. We are closing. We closed a little bit here, but for the first time, like properly closing below Kijun. Again, coming all the way to target V, then trying to break through and fly above, but there was not enough of power. So we got a very nice P wave at this point, which collapsed, and from now on we are already, it's like a capitulation of target E. So the market has fallen. There was 1, 2, 3, and now we have correction. Look, where is the correction to? It's exactly to target E. Again, coming to target E, respecting, falling below into the Kumo, taking all the stop losses, whatever there was, and now we are falling. So we are beautifully crossing the Kumo and retesting. Today we are retesting Kumo. This is quite important day. And now let's have a look where we can get. if this all this market, so all this movement here that we got before, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 waves is finished, now we should see the proper pullback. So calculating our pullback, no, that's the top. We have the top here. Again and again, you need to hold the shift. If you hold the shift, then it will there will be a magnet, and it will hold it nicely. So now we can see that we have again our targets. So there's target N. Maybe let me close this one. Okay, so we can see as well there's the moving average 200. This is quite important, but let's look where we are. So we've got target E. Target E corresponds exactly with the Chikou before. So that would be the S wave. If we came back all the way here and bounce off, that would be our S wave. If this won't happen, which is very nice, very technical, because we have the head here, left shoulder, right shoulder. That's our base. This is important as well. This base was broken. Now we are falling. So target E. We are on target E at this point. And look at this one, where we came before, where the market was at the moment, and which was head and shoulders, by the way, as well, just reverse head and shoulders. So you can see there was a left arm head, and that's the right arm, and that was the point. I marked it, and the E2, so double 200%, is exactly at this point. So the markets are really, really amazing. They will never stop to surprise me. So this one is at the top over here, and the E2 is at the bottom over. So basically this movement here is between, it should be correlating with this movement. So they should be the same size if this is E1 and E2. So this movement, if we run 100%, we should get it. 200%, we should get it here. So this is it, guys. So I think this is worth watching. It looks like a good trade opportunity to me. Look at the Chikou as well. This is important. Look at the Chikou's reaction. After we got under the price, we came to Kumo, and then we retested price. Look at the retest of the price. Look at the perfection. Exactly where the price was. And now bang, 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 bang. And we are falling. So if this will happen, imagine that's a perfect trade. Even if you don't earn money for a long time, we are in a side movement, you earn swap. What else can you ask for? You are double paid. So I really like it, and I hope you too. Let me know what you think about this idea, and if you want to learn more about swap, please go to my website. And if you go to my website, you will see that there are 3 courses on Skillshare, and that would be this one. How to trade forex and CFDs. Start trading today. So it's 5 hours course. There's over 30 videos. A lot of information I left there. One of them is swap, explaining exactly where to find the info, how to think about it, and it's a really powerful tool, as you can see. And you can, of course, watch it 1 month free, no charges. Just don't forget to cancel your subscription within 1 month, and then it will be for free. If you want to keep the subscription, do it, because Skillshare is a really good place for creators and to find a really good content over there. So I think you will like it. Okay, without any further ado, have a good one, guys. Good luck with your trading. Take care and let me know, what did you think about her trades? If it was a smart trade, not smart trade, if you would do the same, if you would close it. Or yeah, if you trade the same way, maybe you use swap in your trading. I'm really curious. I really am. Okay, take care. Bye.